Welcome back to day 6 of building our dream life from scratch. As you watched in the last clip, we made baked oats for breakfast, and this is my husband's only day off for work, so we decided to make the best of it and go on a gorgeous walk by the pond. My amazing husband got me that record player for my birthday, and it was just the sweetest gift. I love old vintage things like that. For lunch, I just made a bean salad, and let me tell you any updates that we have on our businesses so far. So for my husband, he has an upcoming meeting with a company that he could potentially be partnering with, and hopefully that will bring him some new clients. And for me, I actually received news that a company is going to be using my videos and posting ads, so that will hopefully drive some traffic and make some sales, the product of theirs that I am promoting on TikTok Shop. And one more update, I have made 2 more sales so far on TikTok Shop. They're both small sales, only $2 items, so I got about 20 cents from each of those. But for me, that's just a sign that things are picking up. We are definitely in the phase of living paycheck to paycheck right now. We are awaiting on my husband's next paycheck because we're getting very low on food, but God has definitely provided for us, and we have just enough food to hopefully get us until the next paycheck. I wanted to share with you guys one of my very favorite verses that has definitely gotten me through quite a few hard times. Trust in God with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he will direct thy path. Another gorgeous quote I've heard lately that I thought was just such a mind-boggling and beautiful quote. When you put everything in God's hands, you will notice God's hands in everything. Sometimes it can feel so disheartening to be so tight on money and feel like you never have anything good coming your way. But as you truly begin to put things in God's hands and really trust him with everything, you will notice every little blessing. That's why I started the channel Blind and Blessed, because I truly wanted to show people that just because things are challenging does not mean they aren't worth it. Things you work at day by day often yield the greatest reward. When Christ was on earth, he said, "I did not come to do the will of my own, but the will of the one who sent me." Life was not designed for us to just feed our egos and do everything for ourselves, just as Christ said. So when things are hard, which God knew they would be, that is when we turn to him and call upon him so he can pour down his grace upon us and help us through those times. That is the plan, is that God made life difficult so we would learn to turn to him and rely on him and gain his understanding so that we can see things more clearly. I did not expect this journey to building our life of our dreams to be easy, but I knew it was going to be worth it, and we were going to yield amazing results eventually. It could take years, and that's okay. That means you'll have a million videos to watch. But I will leave you guys with this one last challenge, and this is a gratitude journal challenge that I've been doing, where every single day in your journal you write 3 blessings from the Lord. Tomorrow's video will be short form, so I will see you in that update tomorrow, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.